Imagine yourself surrounded by vibrant colors, mesmerizing music, and mouth-watering aromas. Hey there, awesome friends, welcome to this episode, the world of cultural festivals, where people come together to celebrate their heritage, traditions, and community, a testament to the diversity and unity of humanity. If you're new here, we're so happy you found us. We've got tons of fun, exciting content waiting just for you, so stick around. There's always something cool happening here. But before you dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing family. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you'll always be the first to catch our next amazing video. Let's keep the fun going together. Now let's take you on a journey to explore the most vibrant celebrations around the globe. Our first stop takes us to Brazil, where the Rio Carnival reigns supreme. Known as the greatest show on earth in recent years, it has attracted over 2 million visitors annually, turning the streets of Rio into a giant party with its electrifying samba parades and flamboyant costumes. The carnival is a 5-day extravaganza of music, dance, and elaborate costumes. The first Rio Carnival festival was in 1723. Our costumes are not just about looking beautiful, they tell a story. Each feather, each sequin has a meaning. Our dance steps are a tribute to our ancestors and a celebration of our culture. With roots tracing back to ancient African traditions, such as those of the Yoruba in Nigeria and other cultures, the carnival showcases Brazil's cultural melting pot. It's a celebration of life, unity, and rhythm. The richness of Yoruba cultural and religious influence in Brazil is so extensive that it is inexhaustible. Next, we journey to India for Diwali, the Festival of Lights. Celebrated by millions of Hindus, Jains, Sikhs, and Buddhists, Diwali symbolizes the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. For us, Diwali is a time of joy and togetherness. We clean our homes, light oil lamps, and prepare delicious sweets. It's a tradition that brings our family closer every year. From lighting oil lamps to bursting firecrackers, Diwali brings communities together in a luminous embrace of joy and prosperity. It is a time for family gatherings, delicious feasts, and heartfelt prayers. Up next, we dive into the lively whirlwind of Holi, the vibrant festival of colors. Celebrated primarily in India and Nepal, Holi marks the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil. Holi is pure joy. Throwing colors, dancing, and singing with friends and family, it's a day when everyone forgets their worries and just celebrates life. Known for its exuberant celebrations, Holi sees people drenching each other in colored powders and water, singing, dancing, and enjoying festive foods. The festival also features Holika Dahan, a ritual bonfire symbolizing the burning away of evil. Our final stop in India is Navaratri, a 9-night festival dedicated to the worship of the goddess Durga. Celebrated with great fervor in various parts of India, Navaratri is a time for devotion, dance, and music. Navaratri is a celebration of divine feminine power. Each night we honor a different form of the goddess Durga with dances like Garba and Dandiya Raas. It's a time for community bonding and spiritual reflection. Navaratri celebrates the triumph of good over evil, with each night dedicated to a different form of the goddess Durga. The festival is marked by vibrant Garba and Dandiya Raas dances, where communities come together to celebrate and seek blessings. In China, the arrival of the Lunar New Year marks the most important festival of the year. Chinese New Year, or Spring Festival, is a time for family reunions, feasts, and ancient customs. The dragon dance is more than just a performance, it's a symbol of power, strength, and good fortune. The traditional foods we prepare, like dumplings and fish, each carry wishes for prosperity and happiness in the coming year. Each element of the celebration, from the vibrant dragon dances to the red lanterns, is steeped in tradition and symbolism, ushering in a year of fortune and happiness. From light to playful, our next stop is Spain, where La Tomatina turns the streets of Buñol into a giant tomato battleground. The Tomatina festival is a messy but fun celebration where participants throw tomatoes at each other. Held annually on the last Wednesday of August, this quirky festival sees thousands hurling tomatoes in good-natured chaos. Everyone's laughing, covered in tomato pulp, and it's like we're all kids again. Started in 1945, La Tomatina is a testament to the Spanish spirit of fun and camaraderie. leaving everyone drenched in red and beaming with laughter. Our journey continues to Germany, where Oktoberfest in Munich offers a feast for the senses. This world-renowned beer festival attracts millions who revel in Bavarian culture, beer, and hearty food. Oktoberfest beers are not just any beers, they are brewed following centuries-old traditions. Every stein of beer holds a tale of Bavarian tradition and expert craftsmanship. It's about celebrating life, community, and of course, great beer. Dating back to 1810, Oktoberfest is more than just a beer fest. It's a celebration of Bavarian traditions, music, and community spirit. Our next destination is New Orleans, USA, where Mardi Gras offers a vibrant mix of parades, music, and masquerades. This Fat Tuesday celebration is a prelude to Lent, filled with exuberance and tradition. With roots in French Catholic tradition, Mardi Gras has evolved into a unique blend of cultural influences, making it a one-of-a-kind celebration that encapsulates the spirit of New Orleans. In Mexico, the Day of the Dead festival honors the deceased with elaborate altars, parades, and traditional foods. In Thailand, Songkran is a water fight festival that marks the traditional Thai New Year with water guns and buckets. From the vibrant streets of Rio to the illuminated homes of India, the joyous gatherings of China, the playful chaos of Spain, the festive tents of Germany, the lively parades of New Orleans, the Dia de los Muertos in Mexico, and Songkran Water Fight cultural festivals bring people together in celebration and unity. These festivals are not just events, they are living traditions that connect us to our past, enrich our present, and inspire our future. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Remember, no matter where you are, there's always a reason to celebrate. Thanks so much for hanging out with us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear from you, so tell us in the comments if you've subscribed to our channel. We'll be giving shoutouts to some of our new subscribers in our next video. Until next time, keep smiling and stay awesome. See you soon.